Hello, as you can see I'm just following on from the last video, and what we want to focus on now is the purposeful questions, because it's the purposeful questions that help you get real clarity in this submodality or the hologram we were talking about earlier on in the week. So remember this out, when we're asking these questions, the first question you really have to ask is the what. What's the subject? What specifically are we talking about? Once you're clear on the what, you then can find out who's involved, what's the person or people involved with that. When you have that, you may want to get the time scale first of all, or you may want to get the location first of all. These two are a bit interchangeable. So it's understanding, very first you need to know exactly what someone's talking about. You need to know the people or persons involved in that, and then the time and the location. Once you have that, you can start asking the how. So how do you want this done? How do you want this carried out? What do you want me to do? So that I get, see how we say what, so you're going back to the subject. The last question you're asking is the why. Because remember, the why is really important for finding motivation and the reason that someone's doing something. So I'm sure now that you've been much more conscious of asking these questions, you understand you weave in and out of them. So when you go, you're asking questions and then someone says something, so you clarify back to what subject are we talking about now? Who's involved? What time or what place are we talking about? Keeping clear in your mind will help keep clear in your client's mind. So I'll see you next week, and I will probably be from the same place next week, but we'll talk to you then. Take care. Bye.